So today we have these even and odd kind of questions which you generally find on GFG under basic and easy uh, tags. So these kind of problems are you are generally given with array and you need to either do three of the like these things. For example, you will be given an array and you have to sort these number according to odd even things, or you will be asked to sort all the evens in the left and all the odds at the right. And you can be asked to sort the numbers according to the places also, like this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So place the even number on even index and place the odd number on odd index to kind of these. So these are the two three type of questions which generally comes out from these, and these are those questions. One is segregate even and odd. In this, what you need to do is all the even number should be at the left and all the odd numbers should be at the right. This is the simple thing, and this is also basic. Just a second. Yes, and this even and odd thing, what you need to do, you have to place all the even number at even indices and all the odd number at the odd index. For example, 3, 6, 12, 1, 5, 8, and if there is a single there if there is even a single way you can place this according to the given condition, output should be written 1, which is yes possible. And so it is possible because 6 is in 0th and 12th is in second place, 8th is in fourth place. So I'll explain the intuition behind them. The basic intuition whenever you see those odd even kind of questions is that you have to traverse through the array and you have to collect all the odd and even element. This is like basic intuition which you can use anywhere. You have to collect all the odd and even element by using the same old trick which we were taught in 11th, 12th and the first year is equals to 0 by 2 is equals to 0. If yes, then collect this in some array even and array even equals to blah blah, array even is equals to array 1, and else if not then collect it into array odd. So this is the thing. Well, let's come back to the questions. Basic thing is this only. Make two arrays, one for odd, one for even, and then do whatever the question requires. For example, if they require to segregate all the even array to the left and all the odd one to the right, then just do it by running a loop to the size of this, like 0 to the size of even array. For example, I'll just explain. For this question, if you need, if they are saying that you have an array and just segregate it to the even and odd thing. So what you will do for the even thing, we have already taken out the even and odd array. For the even thing, what you will do, you'll start a loop from 0 until the even size. You'll execute it till the even size and you'll just fill it in the array 1. Like you'll just fill it in the array because they always ask you to fill in the array. Like here you'll know you need not to it is an array, rearrange the array in place without any extra space. So you need like you just need to arrange it because just a second, they are already printing out the array and it's passed by reference, so you need not to like print out, or you need not to use cout and this return function. Similarly, in the segregation thing also, just fill out the array, just change in the main array, just change everything in the main array and you'll be good to go. Again, I equals to 0, but this time, just a second, but this time till odd size and keep increasing the size. This array of this will start from, I guess, the ending of this. Uh, this is the question, I guess. Segregation when odd even arrange the. This is the question. So I've used vector here, and I'll just explain how I did it. First, I sort the thing. Then, after sorting, it was not required. Like I just did it. And after sorting, what I did, I pushed back all the even element to my vector even and all the odd element to my vector odd. Then what I did is I used a k pointer which I used for both of them, and then from I0 to even size of I plus 1, I just inserted this because if I would have been used if I would have used I here, the problem would be here I cannot, like here I should start from the starting. Like I'll just explain what I'm saying. If you have filled the array from 0, 1, 2, 3, for example, you have filled and these are the remaining thing. So for next loop, like for this loop, you need to start your loop from here, and basically you need to start this loop from even size, then only you'll be able to fill it. So to avoid this, what we did, we just used the k pointer, which which incremented after the every step. Like we have inserted all the even here, and after that k will be, for example, 4, yeah, or 5. So this thing will start from array of 5, like it will fill in the array of 5, not in array of 0 or array of anything. This counter is for printing our odd vector. Yeah, this counter is for odd vector. Here also this I counter is for all odd vector, because this even thing also needs to be filled. Like I'll just explain it using the container approach. Uh, this is the container. I know it's rigged, and these are the two containers of odd and even. So for filling even, you'll initially start from 0 and you'll go till the height of this now. Similarly, here also you'll start from 0 and you'll go till the height of it. So it's better if you'll declare k equals to 0 and use k as the height of this thing. So k will start filling 1, 2, 3, 4, and then k will jump off to the odd thing. So k is now 4. Now when the odd thing will start filling, it will start with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how this question will be done. And here is the code. GitHub link will be in the description. I have used vector here. And similarly, I guess in this question also, what you need to do, yeah, the even and odd index. So the approach which I used here is like this approach is similar, odd and even changing into vector. And what I used in, I did this I equals to 0 thing. Why I did this? For even, like for printing, how should I explain? I'll just put this code up and I'll place it here. Just a second. Yep. So this is the code. And what we are doing here is this k thing, this k equals to 0 thing, and k is equals to 0. This is checking whether our iterator, like I'll just draw an array and you'll get a better idea what this thing is checking. These are the indices, these are the index in which we need to fill. So what was our question? That fill even number on even index. So first you need to get the idea of index, that like on which index we are currently talking about. So last time we were doing this modulus 2 thing for our digit. This time we are doing this modulus 2 thing for our indexes. So for this index, I have checked this. Yes, this index is even. So I need to push a even element. Half code is similar like above code. This is my even vector, and it contains all the even element which I separated from the main array. And this thing will just insert k equals to 0. So in array 0, in array 0 there will be some element that will be replaced by even I is equals to 1 here. So I'll just draw even and odd here. This is my even bucket and this is my odd bucket. So for example, these contain some values. This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is again 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this thing, what this thing will do, this will take up the 0th value and add it into the 0th value of array, because the first value is even. Now we'll again run this loop. This will enter the else condition because it's odd now. Now what it will do, it will again add, like you have to notice one thing, I haven't changed the I value yet, because because I need to take this zeroth element also. Like if I'll increment the I value here, if I'll just increment the I value here my I will be 1 and the element which will be copied from odd will be this 1, not 0. So I first need like you just need to stack up one by one, no? This is the thing. You need to stack up odd, even this thing like just a second. Yeah, you need to stack up like even, and even, then odd and odd. So this even belongs to even 0 and this odd also belongs to odd 0. So if I just increment this I plus plus, this odd will become odd 1 and it will pass the value of this odd, not this odd. So that's why I haven't incremented my I yet. Let it pass through the second loop also. Now we are on odd. This will not execute. I will just enter this. Okay, A of k. Our k is continuously running because we need to add alternatively. Like k will not stop for anywhere. K have added one element, then it will jump onto the this first index. So k equals to k plus plus will be here. K equals to 1, array of 1. This unit will be filled with odd of 0. Odd of 0. This thing will come here. Then again, just a second, stop moving. Then again, this will check, oh, that's even. Now I plus plus is done here. So this I will be equals to 1 now and this thing will be added, then this thing will be added. So that's the like basic intuition. And code here is also similar, the same thing. I plus plus, no I plus plus. Like if I'll just do I plus plus here, it will definitely start showing me some vague value or compilation. Just a second. It will definitely blow up. Yeah, output is 0. And changing this 0 and 1 means 1 means yeah there is a way, 0 means there is no way that you can do it. 0 means your code is not executing well. Yep, this executed. So this was the whole code. Thank you.